All right, the drink we're about to make is called Sweet Pea. Now we've got a white wine glass here. Go ahead and throw some ice in there. And we're going to fill up half of a glass, half of a wine glass, so we'll say a wine serving. Do 4 ounces of coconut rum. So just pour away. That should be good. And now for our second ingredient. Apple juice. Yummy. Pour that in, another 4 ounces or so. Look at that. So, we're going to mix it up. Now, if you don't put ice in there, what's interesting is that this will really just look like a glass of white wine. But personally, I like to make sure my beverages are nice and cold. And a white wine is served chilled anyways. So if you happen to have some cold coconut rum, and your apple juice is really cold too, then you don't have to worry about adding ice. Bottoms up.